Hello, it's Christopher and Daniela with Great Energy.
And we are so excited to share with you about this 4-week amazing course. It's called Jumpstart Your Energy, our Great Energy Qigong beginner's course. Now, it starts on January 1st. Why? Because January 1st is an amazing threshold moment. It is a natural time for us to come together and begin anew and begin again. And the heart of this course is to start your year with more energy, with more clarity, with presence, and with really kind support. That the quality of your energy literally determines the quality of the experience that you have in your life. So when your energy is low, you know this, friends, everything in your life literally feels harder. And when your energy is strong, things feel more alive, they feel more possible, more ripe. So this beginner-friendly course, Qigong, it is a simple daily practice that helps you to truly feel more alive and vibrant now. So who really is Jumpstart Your Energy for? Well, it's for absolutely anyone that could honestly say right now, check the box. Yes, I absolutely want to feel more vitality, more calm, and more clarity. Qigong is a vital and an integral practice in both Christopher's life and my life. We're in our 50s, and I honestly can say my energy feels more incredible now than probably it has at any other point in my life. I'm a woman going through midlife. I live vibrantly with autoimmune. So these practices really make a difference. So Jumpstart Your Energy is also for anybody who maybe you're feeling like your energy has felt low, it's scattered, you're feeling depleted. Jumpstart Your Energy is for professionals who want to learn safe and effective, repeatable practices that you can share with your clients. And it's also for our amazing students that are in the year-long teacher training as a chance to begin again with this incredible community.
So the course is designed to be accessible for everyone. It's designed for those who are new to Qigong, which might be you, and it's also designed for professionals, yoga teachers, coaches, acupuncturists, those who are in the healing and helping industry already and are looking for simple practices to restore their own energy as well as to bring to students and clients. Jumpstart Your Energy, jumpstart your year, jumpstart your life. This is here to help you feel better in your whole life. This is a live online class where replays are created for absolutely everything. You'll see the schedule down below on this page. We meet 3 times a week for practice. And remember, it's supposed to be fun. This is called Jumpstart Your Energy.
Jumpstart Your Energy is one of our favorite annual courses to lead. We love leading in this at the turn of the new year because it's a ripe time for coming back into that which really matters to you. And there's no one here listening to this, if you've stayed with us, hear me out. Guaranteed you would check the box. What do you want more than anything? I want to feel happy. I want to feel great in my body. I want to feel alive. And that's what Jumpstart Your Energy promises. Everyone who comes to this program feels absolutely different by the end of each class. Literally, Qigong is incredibly efficient, potent, and beginner-friendly nourishment. It's medicine. And it is medicine that Christopher and I really rely on so that we feel great energy in our lives. And when we feel great, our experience of our lives is great. How we relate to ourselves, how we relate to the people we live with, and how we relate to the world is completely impacted by whether or not we are engaging in our Qigong practices. So really feel into your yes, and we would be so excited to join you. This is a fun program. It's supportive, it's caring, it's connecting, and it really brings you into the rapture of you feeling alive.
Thanks, Daniela. We do offer a sliding scale tuition to keep it affordable for everybody to join. So please sign up below and we'll see you in the course.
Thank you.